Very good morning, all of you. Welcome to Class 5 MDM Children Academy. Our today's topic for Class 5 are next tense simple present negative. Yesterday we talked about the affirmative tense. As you know, tense has 4 kinds. Here we are going to talk about negative. I told you affirmative, 4 kinds: affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative. Right? So let's talk about today's topic, negative. Directly go to the pattern. Negative sentences and questions are made using the auxiliary verb do, does with simple present. We'll see now how negatives are made. Okay. Negative in the simple presents are formed by adding don't or doesn't before the simple form of verb. Okay. We can also say that we have to apply this auxiliary verb before main verb. But they have same rules as affirmative and negative. Their structures are different for plural and singular. Okay. First of all, we talk about the affirmative singular, then we'll talk about the negative singular. So let's see. Singular structure of affirmative was she, subject plus verb, first form with SES and IES plus object. If we have to remove SES to make it negative, we have to add does not. Because as you know, negative it's come, then it is not. Right? So we will apply not between the main verb and helping verb. Helping verb or auxiliary verb is here does, and main verb verb's first form. So singular structure of negative is subject plus does not, we first, and object. Verb first form and object. Okay. Because we have to add in the original form of verb first form. Because does not we applied, so we have to remove SES and IES in a singular. Alright. As I can say, to form negative sentence do not, does not is used and SES is not added in verb first form of verb. If the subject is of third person singular, he, she, it, any name, etc., then does not is used if third person. Right? If the subject is other than third person singular, I, we, you, they, then do not is used. Okay. Let's read further. Simply its structure is subject plus do not, does not, verb first form and object full stop. Right? We talked about singular verb. Now we talk about the plural verb. Plural affirmative structure is subject, we first, and object. Here we didn't apply the SES and IES. So to make it negative, we'll apply for plural do not. And for singular, does not. Just keep it in your mind. For singular, does not, and plural, do not. Subject plus do not plus we first and object. Original form of the verb first form. Will not apply here anything with verb. Okay. Let's go further. I tell you about, again I'm reminding you actually, singular subjects and plural subjects. Singular subjects are he, she, it, any name. Okay. Plural subject except of IU, because IU we consider plural to the auxiliaries rule. Okay. We, they are plural. Understand? So plural subjects and singular subjects you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Let's move further for the example. सब्जेक्ट दिया है आपका आई, ऑक्सोलरी दी है डोंट, एंड बाकी है आपका eat है main verb. Rice, it can be part of object, adverb, adjective, whatever, complement. Okay, so I don't eat rice. Affirmative sentence था I eat rice. To make it negative with I, what will apply? I don't. So it is I don't eat rice. Next, you don't play cricket. Your affirmative sentence is you play cricket. To make it negative, which helping verb, auxiliary verb I'll apply? Don't. Yes, so you don't play cricket. Got it? You don't play cricket. Okay. We climb on mountains. Affirmative. To make it negative with the negative, what will I apply? Don't. We don't climb on mountains. We subject, don't auxiliary verb, climb main verb, on mountains can be object. Okay. बात करते हैं he, she, it. Singular. He does not sing. He doesn't sing. He, singular. Singular with I'll apply helping verb does. To make it negative, not. Sing, main verb, will not apply here as sorry is. Right? She does not play. She, singular. Does apply helping verb, not to make negative, play verb. Right? It doesn't play. It play. It doesn't play. I think it's clear to you all how to make it negative. With the help of exercise, it will be clear to you more. Have a nice day.